Viewer discretion is advised because I'm hurt. Please ask your children for permission to watch this video because I am hurt. Okay, so these ones are really full, so I don't know if they're playing. This one didn't work last time. This one worked half and half, so I think I'm gonna refrain right now. Which means I will play for my machine, and then I'll go to the other end and see what I can get there. Try not to touch my finger against these machines because I'm bleeding, you know. You have to ask your kids if you can watch this now because it might be too gross for the parents. Watch as a family, if the kids allow. Okay, let's do this. Sweet. This is the ball I wanted. I wanted this ever since I laid eyes on it. I wanted it. Okay, I might just play this one twice. Oh, this one's emptier than this one. Don't work either. So I will play this one twice, and I'll play this one once. Should things work. And I got yellow slime and a yellow capsule. Or I don't know if that's slime or one of those squishy things, but it's cool anyway. So both rolls are empty, although this one, I didn't finish that one yet. And then it looks like I'll have to start this roll. Okay, this is the Santa roll. I'm gonna do this. I don't want to use that hand. Okay, got a, is that February? My sister's color again. And then I already got the Halloween coins out. And I got blue, so is it September, December, or March? Or are they all the same? I want to go with March. This one looks lighter. And there you have it.